straight means make or become straight.
So, inquiring minds need to know, how do I get my hair straight? Starting with clean hair, I part my hair into sections and detangle with a denim brush. This brush is amazing. The bristles can be adjusted according to your hair's thickness. I spray heat protectant once, right before I blow dry. I use my good old reliable hair dryer with the comb attachment. I know the comb is missing, but my hair has broken both the wide tooth comb and the narrow tooth comb. Therefore, I just chase the brush with the hair dryer to dry my hair, which is also known as the chase method. Fun fact, it literally takes me less than 30 minutes to straighten my hair. Probably because I tried to pass my hair once with the straightener using the chase method. One pass limits the amount of heat put on my hair, and the chase method helps to separate strands so that the heat is evenly spread across the section of hair. After my hair is straight, I like to use an oil to shine it up a bit. This is my top secret DIY oil. It does have some color to it. Comment below if you know what the first ingredient is. I think this is a great time for a length check. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. I'll see you in the next one.